Hey, everybody, this is Kevin with Leading Edge Financial Planning. Today, I want to talk about taking some action in the next about 15 months. So, a sunset is coming. Usually, a sunset denotes a very beautiful thing. We see a beautiful sunset and it makes us feel good. Well, this sunset is a sunset on the current tax policy. And so, really, what I'd like to talk to you about today is number one, maybe putting money into Roth 401k, maybe doing backdoor IRA to Roth in 2024 and 2025, and then finally, maybe even converting. So I'm going to give you one reason. And the one reason is that taxes, if nothing changes in the next 15 months, taxes will go up. If you're in your 60s, absolutely, and you have a goodly amount of money in IRAs, 401ks. Again, this is something to consider. Can't say that you should absolutely do it because this is not advice. This is just recommending you consider this. So what is the sunset? You're going to hear a lot more about this, but January 1st of 2026, the Tax Cuts and Job Act will go away and new taxes or the old tax system that was back in 2027 will come back. Okay, so if nothing is done, taxes will come back from 2017. What needs to be done if we are not going to sunset is there needs to take, Congress needs to take action or the president needs to sign it to keep taxes in a lower fashion. It's probably not going to happen. Now, is there a possibility? Yes, there's always a possibility. But here is what will happen if, again, Congress does not act. So in 2025, you can see the tax rates here. In 2024, you can see the 24%, and this is married filing jointly, but it's the same thing for single. It's just different amounts where the 24% tax bracket will actually, if you're making, many of our pilots are making, $375,000, you might still be in the 24% tax bracket. Well, in 2026, you will firmly be in the 33% tax bracket. Not only that, but the 25 bracket starts way down here. So you were going through the 10, 12, 22, and then into the 24. In this case, it'll be 10, right away 15, right away 25, right away 28, and then into the 33. So we think the sweet spot here is if you're going to be in the 24% tax bracket and you have the ability to go ahead and do Roth 401k until December 31st of 2025. Or to maybe do the backdoor IRA. If you've not done the backdoor Roth IRA, absolutely the next 2 years, this is the strategy if you're in the 24% bracket. Even if you're in the 32% bracket, actually, even if you're in the 37% bracket, you could do this as long as you don't have other IRAs. And there are some ways to make sure you don't have other IRAs. But the backdoor Roth, absolutely, it's a good idea to do that. And everybody can contribute to a non-deductible IRA and potentially do a Roth conversion. Now, what about if you have significant amount of money, especially if you're in your 60s and you have significant amount of money in IRAs and 401ks and you're going to be in the 24% tax bracket? Again, captains probably are more up here, but depending on how much you fly, you might be able to convert some money in the 24% tax bracket. So final thing, if you're in 24% and we know taxes are most likely going to go up, do Roth as much as you can. If you have any questions on how to get money into Roth, what a Roth is, or anything else around the sunset, please do contact us or leave some questions or comments below on the video. Thank you so much and have a great day.
Leading Edge Financial Planning, LLC is a registered investment advisor. Advisory services are only offered to clients or prospective clients where Leading Edge Financial Planning and its representatives are properly licensed or exempt from licensure. For additional information, please visit our website at www.leadingedgeplanning.com. The information provided is for educational and informational purposes only and does not constitute investment advice, and it should not be relied on as such. It should not be considered a solicitation to buy or an offer to sell a security. It does not take into account any investor's particular investment objectives, strategies, tax status, or investment horizon. You should consult your attorney or tax advisor. The views expressed in this commentary are subject to change based on market and other conditions. These documents may contain certain statements that may be deemed forward-looking statements. Please note that any such statements are not guarantees of any future performance, and actual results or developments may differ materially from those projected. Any projections, market outlooks, or estimates are based upon certain assumptions and should not be construed as indicative of actual events that will occur. All information has been obtained from sources believed to be reliable, but its accuracy is not guaranteed. There is no representation or warranty as to the current accuracy, reliability, or completeness of, nor liability for, decisions based on such information, and it should not be relied on as such.